Hello everyone, welcome to Aligned by Carissa. Today we're going to be doing a slow yoga flow and stretch. Reaching all the way up to the sky with our inhale and lowering our palms to heart center. I'm now going to begin to do some very slow cat cows. Starting with cat, pushing away from the earth, really feeling the round in our back. And then arching our back, looking all the way up as far as we can. Breathing very deeply through these stretches. We're going to be doing a couple of these, and I'm doing these poses pretty slowly, but I encourage you to do what feels right with your body. If you feel like you need to go at a faster pace, do that, and if you feel like you need to go even slower, then do that. Just really listen to your body and do what feels right. Remember that this is your practice, and there's no right or wrong way to do it. From tabletop pose, I'm just slowly lowering down into child's pose. From here, I'm just going to be taking a couple of very deep inhales and exhales. Through this pose, I will be focusing on my breath, grounding my physical body, and trying to quiet the mind of any thoughts that are not in this present moment. Feel free to ground yourself here as long as you need to. I am slowly lifting back up into tabletop position and then pushing off into downward facing dog. Pedaling out the feet here and really giving myself a good stretch in my legs and especially hamstrings. I'm going to take a couple of baby steps up to my hands. And when I meet in between my hands, I'm just going to continue into a forward fold and stretch here for a minute. I'm going into another forward fold here, this time grabbing my elbows and really letting my weight hang down, feeling the stretch in my back, and also rocking from side to side. Also doing a couple of neck stretches, nodding yes and shaking my head no. Now placing my hands flat on the mat, taking 2 steps back, lowering down into a plank position, and then lifting off, raising my chest to the sky. This pose is really great for opening your heart chakra. My dog Bentley and I thank you for joining us in this short yoga flow and stretch. I really hope to see you all in my next videos. Thank you so much again. All the love.